Good morning everyone. Today I'm going to be showing you how to increase the overall volume that the speakers give on a W204 Mercedes. I've got a 2011 Mercedes C250, it's a little project car of mine, and I'm going to just demonstrate on this. The application of this can apply across all the ones up to 2014, I believe. So yeah, it might work for other classes as well, but I'm going to do it on the Mercedes C-Class just for the ease of having one. So you're going to want to, say if I've connected up to, I'll do it from Bluetooth for example. My phone's all connected up, as you can see. You can obviously hear the music in the background, but if I turn this up, you'll notice that it won't get any higher if I keep turning it, and it seems quite quiet. So the speakers don't actually have that much output on that mode, but you can change the mode. It's very easy to do. So you're going to want to go into your settings. So to operate the settings, you're going to use this little nozzle here, and so to obviously it works like a bit like a mouse, I suppose. Obviously you pull down to change between this and this. So I'm going to pull down on that. I'm going to go down to basically the bottom areas. It's not in the sound. You're going to want to go to the BT audio bit here. I thought this was a little bit confusing at first. I have them on BT, but I don't know why it would be called BT audio, but that actually means Bluetooth. So click on that, and obviously there's not many settings here, but you want to go to volume and change that mode to boost. Now on a 2012 to 2014 as a guess, I had a C220 2013 model, and when you put it on boost mode, when you turn the volume, it will keep going, but this also has a limit, but it's a lot louder. It doesn't boost the bass. To edit the bass you have to go into the sound settings, but yeah, I'll show you that in a second. It has a limit, which is a shame. On the 220 I don't think it did. Either that or I didn't have the music up loud enough to know. To change the bass, since we're on that subject, you're going to go down not to BT audio, but you're going to go to sound, and then you can just change it using these. So you can select the one you want. So if you want to update treble or bass, you just go to the one you want, and then you just move that button up and down based on what you'd like. And make sure to press the center button as well, and obviously balance and fader, you can change that as well in that same area. Anyway, it's a quick video guys about how to do that. I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you on the next video.